Hi everyone, just wanted to show you how to get started with some of your first projects in digital photography. So the first thing that you're going to do is after you're in Photoshop is you're going to want to open a new file. Now most of these are probably going to be in your downloads because you're going to be downloading them from your Google Drive. So you should be able to find some of the stuff that you do in here. So I have a couple of different pictures in here. I'm going to open this one. So once you have your picture opened in Photoshop, very first thing that you should do is right click this to duplicate the layer. Again, if your layers are not showing up, if you do not have this little area over here, you're going to go to Windows and make sure that it's checked off. If it's not checked off, you might see something like this. So just go up to the very top, the main menu, and go to Windows and Layers. So now we have our layers here. Again, just to go over, these are your tools down the side. Any tool that you click on, the options are going to change at the top. So you can see my options are changing there. And the very, very top is the menu. All right, so we were in Window to find our layers. So again, you pulled up your picture. Very first thing you're going to do is either right click to duplicate the layer here, or you could go up into the menu, hit layer here, and duplicate the layer there as well. But anyone, as I come walk around the room, say that 5 times fast, make sure that you have 2 copies here. All right, and they should have a thumbnail. There should be a little picture in here, not a blank. All right. So now I have my picture up. Now I want to start to edit it and maybe do a few things to it. One of the main areas that I always go to as far as changing the brightness and contrast and changing a little bit is up here in Filters. So up in the main menu, under Filters, it's called Camera Raw Filter. All right. This is mainly telling you it's going to do things that the camera could have done. So a new thing pops up sometimes for you, especially the very first time that you have it. You might see a little screen that pops up. You can say Get Started. And then you have all these different menus over here. And they have drop-down menus. So most of them will look like this. But you can start to open these up. And you can start to see different things like the exposure, the contrast. So I could bring the brightness and contrast up. I could bring the exposure up. I'm going to scroll down here to... I could bring up the texture of it. So see how it's more hazy? Or I could make it more bright in the clarity. I could also make it more hazy or more defined. And a vignette is kind of, you could make a darkness come around the outside to help bring the viewer eye within the picture. Or say you want more of a white. So you can add a little vignette. There's curves in here. You could play around with this to do different things to adjust different colors. So there's all kinds of cool things that you could do in here in Camera Raw. Once you have it the way you want, you'll press OK. Then this brings you back to the original. And now I can see what I did before and after. Again, that was just slight, not big changes. Because for these first photos, I don't want you to change it too much. I want you to start to take good photos just to start. All right, but mainly those are the things that you're going to do. Do not go to the adjustments up here. Do not do these. The brightness and contrast here, see how it puts it on a blank one? Do not do those. All right, I'd rather you do the brightness and contrast under Filter and Camera Raw. All right, because this just adds too many layers on there and it muddies it up. I'd rather you just stick to 2 layers. So again, do not do adjustments here. You could even go to Windows and we can get rid of those adjustments. Let's see if that will get rid of it. Adjustments. So I can get rid of those. Alrighty. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks.